Hey guys, this is Aaron. Welcome to the Survey Club opportunity. I wanted to make a new video to show you guys that this opportunity is still working. First of all, I'm going to show you that the current date is April 5th, 2017, as you can see here. And I'm going to log into my PayPal account to show you that we are still getting paid weekly with Survey Club. So I'm going to log in and show you that the payments still come in. One second here. Okay, once we log in, I'm going to show you guys the payments received weekly from Survey Club. I've been running this for a few years, and like I said, I just want to show you guys that it's still working. We're still doing very well with it. So I'm going to go to payments received, and I will show you guys the current year of 2017. And here we go. As you can see, March 31st. Survey Club 1,069.75, March 24th 1,028.50, and it just goes on, you guys. 1,270 March 17th. So they pay out every week like clockwork. It's still working. It's a great opportunity. You can look back here at February when I was working a little more, and you can see $2,000 week here, $2,000 week on the 17th, and it goes on all the way here through January as well. 1,000 or 1,200 and 1,256. So you guys, I just want to show you the income, that it is real. We are getting paid out if you do the work. So I want to show you how to get started right away by making your free account. You'll be on a page that looks like this. Now I've already filled out some information here for a mock account to show you guys how to sign up. First name, last name, email, gender, date of birth, and so on and so forth. Once you get that filled out, click this orange Get Free Access Now button, and that's going to create your account. And now you're going to have to answer some questions about yourself. I'm just going to fill in some stuff here. Employment, industry. Now just answer the questions about yourself. I already have an account, so I'm just quick doing this for you guys. Here, health information. If you have some stuff, you can click it. Down here, lifestyle information, click what applies to you. I'm just going to click a couple things here. And let's see. That looks good. So now once you guys have this filled out, click submit your profile to go to step 2. And that will load this page. Now this is important. You guys have to join at least 3 panels. Now you don't have to do it right now. You can do it inside, or you can quick do it, but make sure this page stays open. Once you join your 3 panels now, or what I suggest is doing it inside, go to step 3 down here, and it's going to ask you if you did. You either did or you're going to do it inside, so you can click OK. And now it's going to ask you or show you this information here, and you can click See All Available Studies, this orange button down below. And now you guys are in. So now if you didn't do those 3 panels, I suggest clicking on any of these right here to get 3 or 4 panels done right away, so you start earning right away. There's a lot that you can look through here, and also you can filter your studies. So that's the information, guys. You have your account. It was free, and you can start earning right away. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.